Alright, what's happening? We got Book 5, Chapter 48 of De Bello Gallico. This is the last little bit of Book 5 in the AP syllabus, and it is slightly frustrating, and you'll figure out why in a moment, unless you've read it. Regardless, alright, we've got Caesar, and then an ablative absolute. With his plan. Sweet. With his plan having been approved. Although Diectus, alright, going with Caesar, have been disappointed opinione trium legionem, by the expectation of 3 legions Caesar was reduced ad duos to 2 in duos legions. But nevertheless, Ponabat. He was placing unum auxilium, 1 aid or 1 chance to help, commodo salutis of common safety, in claritate in quickness or in speed, when he comes in nervium fines into the borders of Nervi with Magnis itineribus, with great journeys. Meaning he's going as far as he can, as much as he can. Ibi there, cognoscit, he learns ex captivis. He learns from the captives. Alright. Quae, what things Garanter are happening, are being carried on. Apud Ciceronem. Alright, when you have apud with a name, it's like at their place. So at Cicero's camp. And in quanto periculo, in how much danger the situation is. And we got a couple of subjunctives with indirect question. Alright, and then we got persuaded here. And this takes the dative, and that's your dative right there. Then he persuades. ex equibus Gallis. A certain one. That's quidam, dam is certain. Ex equibus Gallis. Of the Gallic Knights. Horsemen. Magnes Primes with great rewards. And with Persuaded, this is going to set up an indirect command. To bring a letter. I'd kick around him to Cicero. Alright, so we've got a perfect passive participle here with conscriptum. And it's accusative, feminine singular modifying honk. Honk is the epistolum. Alright, and then our verb here is mitte. You've got the T, he, sure it. He sends this, being the letter, conscriptum. Having been written, Graecis Litteris in Greek letters. So that, alright, so, and then purpose clause. With the letter. Intercept epistola with the letter. Having been intercepted. So that Nostra Concilia, our plans, cognoscentur, and then the ne is in there to negate it, are not learned by the enemies. And then a bit of a conditional, see if, possit, if he should not be able to approach Monet, he warns that. And this is a big indirect command. He warns that he throw and then here's our accusative of that. A javelin. And then I should have put some long marks over that. Cum. With the letter. Delegata. Tied. Ad amentum. To the thong. Intra munitionem castrum. Within the fortification. Of the camp. Alright, and that thong is basically, it's a strap that's used, it's wrapped around the finger, so when you throw it, it creates a spiral effect. Much like in football, a better spiral, a tighter spiral, the further the football will go, and same thing with the spear here. So, Caesar's got a plan, and he's going to write it in Greek and get it to Cicero ASAP. Alright, we'll figure out what's going on in the second part.